everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1967 Chevrolet Malibu. Man, is this a fun car to drive, guys. I took this thing to lunch yesterday. Man, just wicked fun car to drive. It's got a 3-3 stroker motor. It's got that trick flow kit on it. 430 horsepower, Muncie 4-speed. I mean, you just want to talk about something that'll just torch the tires. Just fun, man. I mean, this is a cool car. I love the fact that they left this car alone and left it as a Malibu instead of putting SS emblems all the way around it. Big fan of the wheels and tires. Those are 15-inch American Racing Torque Thrust Ds. They got 255/60s in the rear, so they got some meats on the rear, which I like. Disc brakes, power steering. Just a cool car. This is the original color, Ermine white. It's got the black vinyl interior. It does have bucket seats in it with that 4-speed. It's cool. Neat car. Sorry guys, that's just something stuck there. Chrome and stainless is nice. The car was restored about 5 years ago, the guy said. He said there's less than 1,000 miles on the car since it was built. It was a frame-off restoration, so it's just as nice on the bottom. There's your one little blemish in the paint. I didn't really see anything other than really that in the paint. Oh, I'm sorry. There is a little scratch on the other side. I'll show you that on the fender. Cool car though. It's got a good, good look to it. I like it because it kind of looks like it belongs on Woodward Avenue in the 60s, You can see it's got the original side glass in it. If I remember right, nope, this one's got a new front windshield in it. But the doors open and shut real good. You can see the glass lines up good. Pretty car, man. It's got, like I say, it is, it's nice and tight, shifts out good. And it is fun to bang the gears. Of course, these 67s are just so popular. Car's nice and straight down the side, sits good. It's got that, that classic muscle car, beefy stance. It's got a 3.5-inch dual exhaust. It just sounds outstanding. Just a little dust in there, guys. Yeah, I like this car a lot, man. It's just got a killer look. I am a Torque Thrust D wheel fan. I love those on these cars. They have converted it to front disc brakes. Again, cool car. This is it's a 3-3 stroker. It's got that trick flow. You can see the trick flow aluminum heads on it. I think it's 430 horsepower. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel Edelbrock intake, air gap intake. It's also got that performance distributors strip distributor in it. Hooker super comp headers. It does have all, you can see the March pulleys and brackets on it. High flow Edelbrock water pump. Power steering. Does have its front disc brakes are manual, of course, with a cam. This has got it. This is a full solid roller. You can see they've smoothed the firewall in here. External solenoid. It's got the aluminum radiator, and it's got electric fans on it. Again, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. It's got the big Milidon oil pan underneath. Hopefully you can see it. It's got big sway bars front and rear, and they're all hammer coated. Thought that was pretty cool. See a little scratch there. I don't know if that's what. Yeah, that might come off, guys. That's about it. It's about all I noticed, really. It's clean, it's straight, car's nice underneath. Looks like the original A-pillar chrome. You can pick it a little bit, but it's pretty doggone nice. Chrome mirrors. These are original door handles. Man, I'd replace those. Matter of fact, I may look into that. Sure, those are original, but you can buy them brand new. They're not that much. Door skins are clean. All new interior. New door pads. New carpet. Bucket seats, they've been all repadded, refoamed. Hurst shifter. This is nice with the tilt column in it. It's got the Grant steering wheel. Seats are nice. Headliner's nice. Factory dash, it's showing 97, just over 97,000, but he said there's about 1,000 miles on the resto. Retrosounds radio, aftermarket Autometer Pro Comp tag and gauges. Like you say, it's got 3.5-inch dual exhaust. It has a Moser 10 bolt in it with 373 limited slip. It's got the billet cover and everything. I believe this car is an all original panel car too, guys. Just a little dust in there, man. They get dusty quick. It's got the factory jack, little bias ply spare. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. This car's clean, man. And like you said, we fire it up here, you're gonna like the sound. It's got a mean sound. Everything opens and closes nice. Again, nice and clean underneath. You see that big sway bar on the rear, that Moser billet cover. Floors are all painted shiny black. I was actually talking to a customer yesterday who was peeking at this car, and it's funny, we were talking about, he's actually restoring one of these and come up to take some pictures of it. And he's been working on his car for 2.5 years. He said, man, he'll never restore another one. That's why I always tell people, I don't restore them. I buy them done. Dash is nice. Again, it's got that Hurst shifter, all new carpet. Yeah, they're really never done anyways. You're always tweaking and fiddling with them. And here it's got that little mini fork starter in it. Full roller. Car rocks, man. You can see here the choke works. Parking brake works. Your fan is right here. That's on your bottom down there. Fuel gauge works. Speedo works. All your gauges work down there. You see it's holding great oil pressure. Tach works. Choke works. It's freezing cold today. Car's got great sound, man. Yeah, gauges are all functional. Radio does work. No on the blower motor. They don't, like I say, they smooth the firewall. Doors open and close real nice. Sometimes you gotta wiggle that. There you go. Yeah, sometimes that switch. I bet you it's been a while since the wipers were on. This car's nasty, man. Oh, we might have a light out up on this side. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely There you go, the choke's kicking down now. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys.